and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a stitch fix to share with you. And I recently had gotten a Triblend box, so if you've checked out my last video, you'd see I liked a lot out of that box. And even though I had a gift card and I had a coupon, a rewards coupon, I did do a little bit of damage out of that box. So what I'm sharing today, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm still sharing my try-ons. So in case you haven't known anything about Stitch Fix, which I know a lot that watch my channel do, but I'm going to share very quickly. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. When you sign up for Stitch Fix for the first time, you will get matched with a stylist and you'll pay, I believe it is $20 for your first styling. I'm still out of it because I've had the Style Pass. I don't pay for styling fees. So, you know, I'm just used to not having to pay to be styled. But in any event, if you use my link in the comments, you can get your first style fee waived and $25 to shop your first fix. And I will also get $25 to shop out of a future fix. So anyways, I have a couple of outfits to share with Stitch Fix. I have 5 items that I picked. I don't remember how many out of this box I picked. I want to say I probably picked maybe 2 or 3. I don't think I picked the whole 5 out of the preview that I had gotten. But let me read my note and then we're going to get right into the try-ons. And I have Jaren again. I've had the same stylist for a while and she's great. So Jaren says in her note, "Happy Fix Day. How was your Disney trip? I hope the flag and anthem top was a big hit. Thank you for letting me style your latest fix. You did an amazing job curating your fix preview, and I hope these pieces are exactly what you're looking for. I love that you're up for trends, and I had my fingers crossed that you would gravitate towards the vintage wash cargo pants today. I can see them pairing effortlessly with the cozy brown threads for thought pullover, or even with the simple white crew neck to let the relaxed silhouette be the star of the show. I'm sorry I wasn't able to track down the retro brand graphic sweatshirt you mentioned. No worries, because I got that in my Triblend, so we're all good. I'm just mentioning that on my own. But she says, I promise to keep my eye out. Don't forget to pop into freestyle in between boxes too, or inventory is constantly changing, so you never know what gems you may find. Have a great week." So without further ado, I have the first outfit on. We're going to get right into this, so hang on a second. Okay, as promised, I'm going to put my glasses on because I have 2 of the items from this fix on. So on top, and I'll back up so you can see it in a moment, this is by FP Movement by Free People, and it's the Inspire, of course it's cut off. I'll get my phone, and there's also a preview card before this, but this top is in the color blue, and it's in the size extra small, and it's the cheapest item in the fix, $48. And on the bottom, when I back up, I've got a pair of jeans on, and I'll also pan down for them. These are by PISTOLA. They're the Lexi mid-rise bowed straight jean in the color indigo, size 2, and they are the most expensive in this box, so I'm wearing the least and the most at $168. Hang on, I'm going to get my phone, by the way, for that name for the top. Okay, I just want to read this quickly before I actually share the item. I went to my phone for the item because, again, I should know better. A lot of things do get cut off in this preview card. But again, this is by FP Movement, this top, and it is by Free People as well. FP Movement by Free People. It is the Inspire long sleeve layer tee. Again, size extra small, $48. Color, once again, is in blue. So I'm going to leave my phone to the side because tons of stuff seems to be cut off on this card. So let me back up so you can see. And I just want you to see it is a deeper blue. I have my watch on, but the sleeve, see if I can show you. It's about the length of the sleeve. It has like I don't know if you can see it, has like a triangle like cut out to it. It's cute. I mean, it's just a basic crop t-shirt, which I had front tucked into the jeans just so you can see the length of it. Oh, and because it's FP movement, it has the little logo on the side. Sorry, as I'm walking away. There's the back of it. Again, cute, but nothing special. Just a long sleeve t-shirt moving into spring and in a blue color. The jeans, the size 2s fit, but I kind of feel like probably once I sit in them, they'll stretch out a little bit more. But they do feel like they're not a stretchy denim. They're more of like a, like your, how do I say this? They're definitely more of a harder denim, not stretchy by any means. But I do have different jeans like this in my wardrobe at this point in my closet. I will pan down so you can see them better. Let's see if I can back up so you can see full length, and then I can always pan down. Front and back, working pockets in the back, working pockets in the front. Again, for the price, I don't know if I need these, to be honest, but let me pan down so you can at least see them. Okay. Excuse the tag there, but here's the pan down view, and I'm actually wearing them with my P448 high top sneakers that I got, I believe, a while ago. I don't know if I got these Trendsend or Nordstrom, but it was for Christmas, like 2 Christmases ago, and they're more the like distressed looking sneakers, kind of like your Golden Goose, that are supposed to look like they're been through the mill. But I love that they have the pink laces. So yeah, but I am wearing them more with sneakers since, you know, I paired it with the FP movement top. So, I don't know. Like I said, jeans are cute, but I don't think I need them, to be honest. So I'll look back at the video and let me know your thoughts, but yeah. Anyways, I have another pair of jeans and then one more outfit. So I'll back shortly. I'm just gonna keep this top on and switch into the other pair of jeans. Hang on. Okay, I am back and I switched to the other pair of jeans, and I have my phone next to me and my reading glasses. Sorry, I don't know why that happened, but I'm not even moving that quickly. So the jeans, now I'm switching to cut from the cloth. These are the Kelsey high rise ankle wide hem flare jean, size 2, $104, and they're in indigo. Same as the Pistola jeans color. But so I want to show you something. I ended up, sorry about that. Again, I am not sure why my is going in and out today. But I did end up purchasing a little different color, but these are the ones from my Trendsend. I did buy these. And I had the coupon. I had all sorts of discounts. So when I back up, these are a little darker. I'm not gonna lie, they're just probably a touch, maybe not even. I mean, yeah, I'd say a little, like just slightly darker, but being that I have these, I definitely know I don't need these. However, if you're in the market for a good pair of jeans, these are not bad at all. They fit, they work, but I knew going into this that I ended up getting those in my Trendsend, and these were being shipped to me in the process of being shipped from Stitch Fix, and I'm like, I know I don't need 2 pairs, and I got discounts on that through Trendsend, so these I think are gonna go back, but I just want you to see them. Working pockets in the front, working pockets in the back. I will pan down now so you can see them a little bit better. So you can just see the bottom of them a little bit better. The other ones that I bought from Trendsend are more cut off. These don't have a cut off hem, so that is a little different, but Again, very similar style, the ankle cut. So yeah, I'm gonna go with I don't need these, but I'll be right back with the last outfit. So hang on. Okay, as promised, I have the final outfit on from the Fix. So let me grab my glasses again and I'm gonna take a look. Yep, of course. I'm just gonna look on my phone because it's cut off on this sheet. So hang on one second. Okay, so on top, as I back away so you can see it, this is by Threads for Thought, and it is the Beverly Triblend Fleece Crossover Pullover, size extra small, $68. And I'm gonna grab paper just for the color. I believe it's brown, but I just wanna make sure, yes, brown. And on bottom, and I will pan down for these as well, these are by Flag and Anthem. They're the Dolly Vintage Washed Knit Cargo Pants in extra small, size $68, and they're in the color olive. So let me put everything down and then we can discuss and talk a little further. So I'm gonna pull this down so you can see the color. This is really cute. I have a top like this, but it has the V-neck, but it has a zipper in black that I bought from Threads for Thought from Stitch Fix last year around the same time. So I do happen to like their clothing and their fleece. This has the kangaroo pocket. I don't have it tucked in. I have it just kind of loose around, but that's the front. That's the back. One thing to note, I just wanted to see, does it have, or did I imagine? No, it's just a regular cuff on the sleeve. Again, V-neck. And then I'm going to pull away. These are really comfortable. The buttons here actually do work, but you don't need to open them to get them on and off. They're elastic, so they stretch to get on and off. And I'll turn around so you can see. There are pockets in the back, but they're not working. The pockets in the front are working, and even the pocket down here, there's two of them on each side, like the cargo pocket, they work. Again, just put my P448s back on with this. To be casual, I don't even know if you can see them, to be quite honest, but I will pan down with these. These are really cute, and they're comfortable, being that I work from home. Most people can't see the bottom of me. I tend to wear like joggers, comfortable jeans that aren't too dressy, but like the top, if I have my video on, that's what people see. They don't always see the bottom, but I try to wear cute things that you can pair. So these could work for working from home and, just being in and out to pick up my kids from school or whatever. They're comfortable even heading into the spring. So not a bad option. Let me pan down. Okay, so I've panned down. Like I said, have the working pockets on each side. Have working pocket on the leg on each side. They're more of a flare, wide leg. But they're comfortable. I don't have an issue with these. I need to see if I have something similar, to be honest, but I don't think I do, but color wise, but yeah, they're cute. I don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna come back up to do the wrap up and just stay in this outfit, so hang on. Okay, that was such a fun try on. I'm gonna put my glasses on and let's chat. Like I said, I'm keeping the last and final outfit on. So you saw all of the items. You saw all of the pricing previous, but for all 5 items, the stylist pick subtotal is $457.50. When you buy all 5 items from Stitch Fix, you get an extra 25% off. So the buy all discount is $114.38. The new order subtotal is $343.12. Not terrible, but again, I am not in need of at least one pair of these jeans, and I don't think I even need the Pistola jeans. So the only, I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad fix by any means. I'm just trying to think what I need and what I'm kind of in love with here. And to be quite honest with you, this is really comfortable. I am still wearing this top, but now we're heading to spring, and being that it has a V-neck, you know, I kind of layer at this time of the year, but my neck is kind of open here, so I don't know. And I'm wearing just a Free People tank underneath, but my tank, like, I'd have to maybe wear something that's a little higher, and I do have, but I have to think about this, to be honest. It is cute, but it's like, how practical do I need it? I don't know. That Free People, the top, it was literally just a long sleeve t-shirt, and while I love Free People, I don't think I need to spend $48 on a t-shirt because I'm not doing a buy all here right now. The only item that I really kind of think is unique and different, and again, I'm going to look at the try-on to see if the way they look on me and if I like them, are these pants, the cargo pants, by Flag and Anthem. So, all that to say, you kind of even know where my brain is right now, but if I'm missing the mark on something, please let me know. Otherwise, I mean, not much more else to say about this try-on, except if you are a continuing subscriber, thank you so much once again for all your support and friendship. It means the absolute world to me. If you are not subscribed, hit the button below to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say, have a magical day, and bye for now.